REMADE membership is a really great way for industry to participate in really changing the game in terms of the circular economy. By participating in the REMADE Institute and getting access to Department of Energy funding, we really replicate our impact and ability to accelerate those innovations and get them to the shop floor and get them to our businesses and make an impact. So it's big and very big for John Deere REMADE from that perspective. The investments that we're making via the projects that we're participating in the REMADE Institute really allow us, again, to accelerate our ability to test the waters, right, in terms of whether that's additive manufacturing or damage detection, which is a great example. So how do we take a component, understand where that failure mode is, and then correct it so we can reuse the material? Those are the kind of accelerations of problem solving and innovation that will really have a huge impact on our business. So as we look forward to creating a sustainable institute and one that starts to investigate the electric vehicle space and batteries, we are all collectively going to have to deal with how to extend the life of those products. And I think that's going to be a new frontier for us, but one that the REMADE Institute could play a really big role in.